Is your Bluetooth headphone connected to your Windows 11 PC but there's no sound output? In this video, you will see how to fix it. Check your volume levels. The first thing you should do is check your volume levels. Sometimes the volume is reduced and you forget to increase it, so click on the speaker icon here and check the volume levels. Bluetooth headphones also come with dedicated volume controls, so you should increase the volume from the headphone also. Check your default playback device. Another common reason for no sound on headphones is the wrong default playback device selection. If you have connected multiple sound devices with your PC, you need to select the correct one. Otherwise, the sound output keeps going to one that is disabled and won't come to the one you're using. To select the correct playback device, click on the volume icon. Click on the speaker icon here, and then you will see different devices. Now select the correct one and check if your headphone is producing sound. Run Audio Troubleshooter. If your headphone is still not working, you should run the Audio Troubleshooter. Click on Start and type Troubleshoot Settings. Click on it to open. Now click on Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run against playing audio. Then follow the instructions that the troubleshooter suggests. Change the default format. Sometimes the default bit rate also causes the issue, so you can try changing it and see if the sound is producing or not. To do that, click on Start and type Control Panel and open it. Click on Hardware and Sound. Then click on Sound. You will see your connected sound devices. Now select your sound output device and click on Set Default. Then click on Properties. Go to the Advanced tab. Select a different bit rate here and click Apply. Then check the sound. If the sound is not coming, try another bit rate. Restart Bluetooth support service. Sometimes Bluetooth service causes issues. You should try restarting it. Press Windows plus R button and type services.msc and hit Enter. Then locate the Bluetooth support service. Double-click to open the properties. If it is already running, click on Stop. Then select Automatic in the Start type. Then click Apply. Now click on Start. Uninstall sound card driver. If the sound is still not coming from your headphone, you need to uninstall the sound card driver. To do that, click on Start and type Device Manager. Click on it to open. Then expand the audio inputs and outputs. Right-click on your sound card and select Uninstall, then confirm your action. Now restart your PC. Download the latest driver from the sound card manufacturer's website and install it. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them below and share this useful video with your friends. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press the bell button to receive alerts for videos on Windows tips and tricks.